I recently noticed that you are going to be a super tutor on Cambly. So many congratulations.
Oh,
You're
thank
doing great.
you. Thank you. I hope so. I
Yeah.
hope it will be achieved. I'm working hard for that, you know.
Yeah. And
I'm
also
trying my
within a
best.
short time, it is very quick, I will say.
Yes, it's shocking.
Yeah. I can
I'm not
imagine. Yeah.
bragging.
Fine.
It's only, I don't know how many months. Three,
Only 3,
months?
4 months. Yeah,
Not
maybe.
sure.
You are going to be superb.
I hope so.
Yeah, sure.
Just staying humble and
And break
focusing.
the leg. And break the leg also.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you, Jackie, Miss Jackie.
Nice to meet you.
So how
Nice
is it?
seeing you again.
Yeah, nice to see you again.
I like your background. I like the color.
It is like your skin color.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, you know, I look blue because the curtain in front of me, the light goes through the curtain and
Reflects.
the curtain
Okay.
is blue. Yeah.
That's why
It
you reflect
reflects
blue.
on my skin.
Hmm.
Mm.
Nice. You look nice
Thank you.
as usual. And how is
Uh,
your day so far?
well, you're my last class, and I'm actually a little tired, but it's a
Oh,
good day. It's Friday. It's a weekend.
so chill.
What about you?
Yeah, actually, I had got vaccinated yesterday.
Oh, that's
So
good.
yeah, but I had some side effects, pain in my left arm, and
Oh,
also
yeah.
I had little bit headache. But
I
now
heard.
taking medicine, paracetamol, that is
Yeah.
now I'm okay.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
That's
I am well enough to chat with you and to make this video.
Thank you. Thank you. Even if your arm is sore and you have to talk. Thank you. Okay.
Welcome. And
Was it your last dose of vaccine or did you just take one dose?
yeah, it is the first dose.
Oh, that's good.
Actually, I had to I had to think that I have to cut the reservation. I have to cancel the reservation. But when I open up my Cambly, then you pop up. Then just okay, no. That will be
Oh,
funny
we can
for my.
really cut it short if you want. Okay. We can
No.
really just talk a while. Really, I understand. It's really okay. I
No.
know. I know
I
the
am
feeling.
no. I am comfortable with chatting with you. And
Ah, thank you.
oh no,
But
no.
I understand.
Hmm.
It's important that you feel okay.
Yes. And have you got vaccinated?
Not yet. We're still waiting for the younger people to get the access to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And
We have the Pfizer.
okay. So
Yeah.
we have the Covishield.
It's India's vaccine, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. How did you
And
feel about the vaccine?
uh, uh, so I think it will work.
Mm, mm. I also think this is one thing that's working so far in the process. Mm, definitely.
And so, what is your interesting thing at the weekend? Anything interesting will be
Um,
happen?
well,
Oh,
in South Africa, usually we in the weekends we go and dance. We call it
okay.
soki. Soki.
Oh, can you
Now
type that?
soki. Sorry?
Can you type that the word Shoki?
Yes,
Yes.
soki.
Okay, Shoki.
Oh, it
What is this?
soki.
It is a dance.
Yes, with two people. It's like the a formal dance.
Okay.
Um, but it's with two people, usually a man and a woman. They dance together. It can be a friend, it can be a husband, it can be your whoever.
Okay.
And we usually dance it with South African Afrikaans music.
African music. Okay.
Yes. And now tonight there is a soki um, at one of the dancing places. So me and
Okay.
my friends are going to dance together.
Oh, so nice, so
Yeah.
nice.
I can't dance that well, but they are still teaching me some moves to
Okay.
dance the dance. Yeah.
Yes. And do you have, so you need to a partner. So you have partner, you have already partner.
Um, yeah, usually we're a big group, so all of us have
Okay.
you can
Yeah.
dance with everyone. Yeah.
I see,
But
I
it's
see.
not like girls and girls. It's usually just a man and a guy. A man and a woman, sorry, dancing
Yeah.
together. The man leads the woman.
Okay,
Leading.
okay.
Yeah.
Holding their hands.
Yes.
Okay, now great.
Yeah.
Sure, great, great. It is really interesting. And it is the culture there at the weekend.
The culture, this culture is the Afrikaans.
Okay, okay.
Um the Afrikaans culture or the
Mm,
farmer culture.
for-
They do this. Yes.
At the weekend.
Sometimes, not all of
Sometimes.
the times, because of the COVID now.
Hmm.
Yeah, it makes it harder
Yeah.
to not go out.
And so, did you miss it?
Yeah, because it's a lot of socialing,
Mm.
seeing people. Yeah,
Interacting with new people? Yes, yes.
yes. What about your country? Do they have like a culture dance?
Yeah. Usually, we celebrate birthday party and also
Mm.
religious party like
Oh,
that.
that's good.
But
Ah,
go on.
yes? No, no, please.
No, due to COVID-19, due to Corona, we cannot make such parties.
Wow. Is there also a special dance they do in your country?
There are a lot of dances. Mm. It is usually performed in the stage,
Mm, mm.
individually or in a group.
Wow. It's nice.
Mm.
Do you like
Occasionally,
dancing?
yeah, I like dancing. I like dancing rather than singing because my voice is not so good
Me
enough.
too. I don't like to sing, no.
But I can dance.
It's nice. Usually when I dance, I feel good. My mood is so good. It
Yeah, it
feels
is very
energetic.
relaxing. Yeah, it is very
Yeah,
relaxing, and it will really help you to refresh yourself after a
so
after
true.
doing a lot of works.
That's so true.
And I recently noticed that you are going to be a super tutor on Cambly. So many congratulations.
Oh,
That
thank
will be great.
you. Thank you. I hope so. I
Yeah,
hope it will be achieved. I'm working hard for that.
yeah, and
I'm
also
trying my
within a
best.
short time, it is very quick. I will say.
Yes, it's shocking. I'm
Yeah,
not
you
even,
can't
I'm not
imagine. Yeah,
bragging.
I,
It's only, I don't know how many months. Three,
only 3
4 months?
4 months.
I'm
Yeah,
not
maybe
sure.
you are going to be superb.
I hope so.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Just staying humble and
And break
focusing.
the leg and break the leg also.
Thank you. Thank you. And
Actually, you
yes,
make the conversations upbeat always with anyone. So I think that makes you more comfortable, and that makes you
uh,
that makes your way easier.
oh, thank you. It's nice I like to talk to people and know about their lives,
Yeah, exactly. You
learn
really
about them.
exactly. So this is the way, because teaching is not one way path,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So there is two-way path. So you can interact with the students, with the learners from different countries, and they want to know something different, something new about your culture.
that's true. And it keeps it interesting because
Yeah,
you meet so many people on Cambly and they tell you different stories and you learn so much.
yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, one interesting question comes to in my brain, that if you have a superpower to
Mm.
talk with animals, And or if you have a superpower to know any language, to communicate with lot of people from different countries all over the world, then what will you choose?
Hmm. I
Is
would
it
like to learn French.
okay?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think that I heard about the French is tougher one.
It's tough. Yes, it's so tough. But your language is also tough. It's
Really?
very fast. Very fast. Your language. Your culture
Okay.
language.
Sanskrit.
Yeah. It's very interesting. I would like to learn it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Great, great.
Yeah.
And so you have not been to India before.
No, I wish to see it. It's very beautiful.
India has diversity.
Yeah.
Sure, sure.
What's the most popular or your favorite place in India to visit?
Mm, Bengal is where I live. Bengal is really interesting part of India. On the other hand, India has diversity and there are a lot of different cultures, different foods are available
Yes.
in the zone wise. Suppose you go to northern part of India, then there will be different kind of people, different kind of foods, different kind of cultures. If you go to southern part or if you go to eastern part, there will be different foods. So
Yeah.
India is fully diverse, and I think you will not be get bored.
Oh, I would love to experience
Sure,
it. It will be
sure.
so nice.
Exactly.
Would you like to visit South Africa?
Obviously, why not?
Ah, to see
Sure.
the lions, to see the
Mm,
animals, to
Lions. Yeah,
see the
Lions is
cultures.
pretty famous there.
Very famous.
And is it
Yes.
morning, right?
No, it's actually evening. It's now 5.
Oh, afternoon. Okay.
Yes. And what's the time in India?
It is night, 8 p.m.
8 p.m.? Oh, wow.
8 p.m.
Three
And
hours before.
mm,
Wow. Okay. What do you usually do in the weekends?
uh, nowadays I usually do, if there is no COVID or if there is no lockdown, then I
Yeah.
will go out to a restaurant to have a delicious food. But I
Nice.
miss it. And now in this time, I usually uh, make videos for YouTube and
It's
I
good.
sleep.
That's so good. Very good. To rest, it's so important.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah. And didn't you tell me about exam? You didn't write exam?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. The university exams will be conducted in the next month, August, in the mid of August.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be great.
Thank you
You're
very
gonna
much.
do
And
good.
yeah, yeah. And I have to study more.
Understand.
Mm.
Grammar or what do you think you have to study more?
Uh, I I am pursuing electronics and communication engineering, so I have to study
Yes?
the basic subjects. I mean to say that the main subjects
Oh, it's
and the
very
harder
nice.
subjects.
Okay, it's good.
I have to
And
concentrate on those subjects, especially.
what will this exam help you with? Your major or
Yeah,
okay.
these subjects are the major subjects in my field, in my deep
It's in
stream.
English?
Yeah, it is written. We have to write in English, but
Oh,
uh, the fund because it is in English medium university.
okay.
We have to
I
study. We
understand.
have to study in English. We have to write in English in the exam paper.
Oh, you like English?
Yeah, I like it so much, and
That's so good.
I love it.
Oh, that's so good.
Actually, I'm starving right now to learn this language deeply.
That's so
So
nice. It's
that's
very
why,
interesting to learn.
yeah, exactly. And uh, I can. make new friends from different countries all over the world
Yes,
because I
such
love
a
making new friends.
advantage.
Such a great advantage.
Oh, but it's so good to see you again,
Yeah,
and I hope
and
you feel better.
yeah, thank you very
You
much,
should take some rest.
and hope to see you soon again. It was really lovely to
Yes,
meet you as
me
usual.
too.
You are
Thank you
the
for the
special one.
chat.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
And yeah,
Have a
I
good
want to
weekend. Yes?
yeah, and after is it a hectic schedule for you on Cambly?
Sometimes busy, but
Hmm.
sometimes I just plan around it.
So you are going to plan to mm, get a part of Socky dance tonight. On.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
tonight.
you are dressing up.
Yes.